I really like about the program, and the best decision I say, because I have taken many courses before, even paid course as well as free courses. I didn't find the value which you provided.
Wow. So do you think you have done a best, good decision that day?
I think this is the best decision I have taken till now, and this is going to definitely help me achieve my goal. It's a diamond mine, I would say, not even a gold mine.
Meet Satyam. He's from Bangalore and he's a digital nomad. And he successfully launched his business in just 20 days. Yeah, just starting his digital nomad journey. Satyam, congratulations. And you have done a great job.
Thank you, Bipin. It's all because of your guidance and uh, the 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 course that you have given. It's really powerful. So because of that only I could launch it.
Thank you. So you've set up your business and you've got a client also now, right?
I got a client, and they are ready to work with me, and that also paid client. It's not
Oh,
I'm not giving free service. They are
okay.
ready to pay because of the way I have pitched to them, and all those things has been taught in the course. So whatever learning I got from the course, I used that, and through that only I got this paid client.
Awesome. So before all of this, I would like to go a little deep, but I want to ask you, how did you find us for the first time?
Found you, you
Hmm.
mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I was searching for something related to entrepreneurship, and something which I could do for myself instead of so that I could leave my job.
Hmm.
So and when searching, I found your ad,
Hmm.
and I thought that whatever you were explaining in the ad was sufficient for me to get into the course. So I thought it would be really powerful, and it would help me to achieve what I want in my life. So that's how I found you, and I immediately booked
Got
the
it.
webinar, and
Okay.
on the second day I registered.
Wow. So do you think you have done a best, good decision that day?
I think this is the best decision I have taken till now,
Yeah.
and
Mm.
this is going to definitely help me achieve my goal.
Thanks. And why do you think it is the best decision? What do you really like about the program?
I really like about the program, and the best decision I say, because I have taken many courses before, even paid course as well as free courses. I didn't find the value which you provided. In many courses, what they would do is they will drag each and every video for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, but the main content will be hardly 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Your Whereas in your course, everything is to the point. If it
Hmm.
is 30 minutes video, each and every word of that 30 minutes is valuable. So that is how it makes me to take implement faster and get result faster as well.
Wow.
So that,
That was really a powerful line because, yeah, I believe I'm doing my best job. Just to get it from our students back really means a lot. Thanks for those words. And is it like how is your experience? It is easy to follow, or is it implementation oriented? Like, what's your experience with the program or the with videos you have gone through?
yeah. So if you tell me, like for example, I'll just explain with an example: website designing.
Yeah.
So I've been trying to learn website designing for a long time. It's almost 6 months to 8 months already that I tried to learn website designing through courses, paid courses, and even through YouTube. But I didn't find anything simple as given in your course.
Wow.
So I could just launch my website using your method. So my website is ready now, and
Wow.
I have been trying to do that for the past 8 months, which I was unsuccessful, I would say. But with your course, immediately within you have given 30 days time to build the website, but I could do it within 5 days. So that's
Wow.
how powerful
It
it
is
is.
so easy and
Yes. So same is the case with everything. whether it is copywriting, whether it is setting up the Facebook ads, everything.
Like
The whole course is like that.
it's easy and everyone can implement.
Everyone can implement, yes. And that is also within a short period of time.
Yeah, yeah. And the videos are like very short, but is it valuable?
Exactly. Short and crisp and to the point. That is what we need actually. We don't want people to explain, because explanation and all the things we can find in Google also. But the main point, main crux of those points are not given in any most of the courses and the courses which I have taken. But in your course, everything is to the point and everything is easy, makes
Got it.
things easy.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks a lot. And what is the best part of being in this movement, or like what do you like the most?
The best thing in this movement is support.
Okay.
So whenever we get stuck, whenever
Hmm.
we have some kind of anxiety or any kind of fear, when we approach to the group, everybody stands up and is ready to help each one of us.
Yeah.
And even you are the forefront and you are leading the journey. So whenever we want support, you are there, as well as all the team members are there. So it makes things so easy, and it gives so much confidence that yes, I can do it.
Yeah, yeah. So the weekly calls or the student support, like everywhere, my goal is to make sure that you are successful.
Yes.
So this client that you've got, tell me more about him. Like, what industry are they into?
They are into nutrition industry, weight loss for pregnant women. I
Okay,
mean,
niche.
after pregnancy, yeah, after pregnancy, the ladies, they would gain weight, and it's a pain for every woman that it is very difficult to lose that weight.
Correct.
So my client helps those women through nutrition and exercise to lose the weight
Lose weight.
as
Lose weight.
they were, yeah, before
So
pregnancy.
they do it online. The training is online.
The thing is online. Yes.
Okay, it's a good niche that you are in, and definitely you can really give them good ad service,
Yes.
and you can definitely do it. I'll tell you how you can do the targeting and everything after this call.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll really help you on that. And next question that I have is, how do you feel the course? I mean, how do you feel the trainer or the mentor? Is he knowledgeable? Is he is he good enough to teach someone?
He is an expert, I would say. I think it's very difficult to get a mentor like that, because he knows the intricacies of each and every subject or each and every point of what we are doing.
Hmm.
So if it is a nomad, so just nomad is the word, but under the inside this there are so many layers. So Bipin is expert in all those layers. So that's how he is teaching us, and the teaching, the quality of teaching is awesome. The language he uses is exceptional and easy to understand. It's not like using jargons and everything, and then wherein we need to go and search in dictionary to find out those meaning.
Correct.
So simple and easy to understand and easy to implement.
Wow, thanks a lot. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot. And next question that I have is, where do you see yourself in 3 to 6 months? If you get into a monk mode, just follow it and build your client list. Or where do you think in 6 months, with the knowledge that you have, where will you reach?
I feel that I would reach whatever salary I'm getting now.
Hmm.
I would definitely multiply it by 4.
Wow.
So I think
At
four
least
times,
at
yes,
least
that at
two,
least,
3 lakhs per month.
yes,
Yes.
easily.
Because you're already, you have some experience having your own coaching, training,
Yes, yes.
in the past, and you've also been working for a long time. With all of this experience, see, I don't have experience as like you. I've not worked for 10, 15 or more years. But me as a beginner, if I could do it,
Deliver,
and
yeah.
having all of this experience, when you approach clients, they will look at you as with more authority.
Mm, right.
So definitely you can achieve it. So you have to get into the monk mode, just build more clients and go, okay, got one client. second client, third client, fourth client, like you would definitely be hitting the goal that you have achieved.
Yes.
And finally, like, what is the best skill, like the top skill that you learned in just 30 days? Which one is your best one?
Best one I would say is the closing. Closing, because as we already know, in every industry or wherever we go, sales is the most powerful and the most demanding skill
Correct. Yeah.
skill in the industry wherever we go. So if we can master that, then there is nothing stopping us. And this course teaches us that. So there is no second thought or second question that I would pick any other skill over
So
this.
if you got it. So if you want to tell one word for this program, I'd give you some options. Bullshit, useless, waste of time, gold, super powerful, diamond, a gold mine. Like, what would you?
It's a diamond mine, I would say, not even a gold mine. It's
Diamond
a
mine. Wow. Okay. Okay.
diamond mine.
And would you recommend this course to any others or a newbie? And why do you recommend this?
I would definitely recommend this because this can change somebody's life to an extent we cannot imagine. So it is beyond imagination how powerful this course is and these skill sets that you are teaching. So seven to eight skills you are teaching in one course,
Right.
and that also within a short period of time, wherein people struggle 3 years to learn even a single skill. So that
True.
is
True.
yes. So using this course, people within 1 year, I would say, within 12 months, they can change their life to 360 degrees. It will totally change.
Very true. Because, yeah, as you said, to learn one skill, they'll take 3-6 months.
Yes.
Even I cannot imagine how I've put this into 30 days. Like, very short, to the point, they learn it. Even I just cannot believe it. And if I just want to ask myself, maybe my experience, and I've tried making more courses in the past. I've tried so many 2-3 years now, and all that experience I've put this into 30 days. And they and you said 3, 4, 5, like few skills. What are the skills before, like the last questions? What are the skills that you've learned in 30 days?
First is website designing. Second, we have copywriting. Then we have content writing. Then we have closing. Then we have prospecting, and a few more others. I can't remember.
Mindset, entrepreneurs
Mindset.
mindset,
Yes.
reprogram subconscious.
Yes.
Yeah, it's powerful. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I know it feels so good to get this from our own students. So I would give you more power, and I would wish you, like, great success. What I would say is, think it as a long term. You have
Yes.
learned skills, and these skills are for lifetime. You
Right.
want to know how to close one client. If you have forgotten the structure, go to that week, learn that closing, just go and implement the same thing, and you'll start getting the clients. Look it for, as an entrepreneur, take it for a 1 year, like, take it, at least
Yes.
think 1 year. So, okay, I've just started now. Second month, focus on getting one more client, having at least 2 clients,
Yes.
and then see how your schedule with your work, with your full-time job, and how this would go. And then third month, you would basically do a little more, get one more client, and your target for 6 months, if you want to make 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs, do that math. Okay, if you want to hit in 3-4 months, if you want to hit 2 lakhs, how many clients I need? And do that reverse engineering, have that math ready, have a dedicated goal, and just go for it. And even
Sure.
me in my business now, I think, how can I get a client to my business? That should be your thinking. And
Right.
moving, and you should be thinking big, not just getting client. You should be thinking, how can you grow your life?
Yes.
How can you design? Because you have designed your life as well. What you have to do and where you want to live, how should be your life should be. Make sure by the end of 3-6, like by the end of 6 months, you're living that life. That is where you will feel so grateful. and you'll accomplish it. So yeah, so that is something which I would highly say. Put your goal
Yes.
6 months and then achieve it. Let's all celebrate your success. All the best. All the
Thanks.
best.
Thank you.
More power to you. Yeah.
Thank you, Bipin.